Have you ever wondered what steps you can take to maximize the return on your real estate investment? When it's time to sell your home in today's market, we know what buyers are looking for, and more importantly, what they will pay top dollar for when purchasing. Here are 6 things that you can do that will increase your net proceeds when selling your real estate.
Buyers need to imagine themselves living here. So it's time to remove any signs of you. Pack up everything that is not essential to your life for the next 2 months. Clothes, seasonal items, extra tools, even vehicles. Sometimes bringing in a professional organizer can be a game changer. They can help with cabinets, closets, and the garage. Take down all personal items. Family photos, diplomas, toys, and awards. Clear the countertops of any clutter. Neutralize everything. White or toned down colored towels, pillows, comforters, and accessible artwork and accessories. Remove small area racks and anything that distracts from the home's best features.
After you have decluttered and removed 30 to 40% of your personal items and created a nice, spacious interior, it's time for a deep clean. This is where we highly recommend a professional service. A buyer expects to move right in, so clean everything. Baseboards, cabinets, fireplaces, closets, and windows. Oftentimes, cleaning gutters is necessary. Power washing driveways and walkways is important too.
The next step is to replace all carpet that has smashed pile, discoloration, odors, or stains. We suggest a low pile, neutral, and light colors. We know that seems a bit impractical, but you're selling your house. Show the buyers that you take great care of it. And we often recommend a fresh coat of interior paint. We've got a few colors we highly recommend that go with everything. This truly finishes off that clean and tidy look.
Your home's exterior is the first thing buyers see. And if you can't get them out of the car, it won't matter how beautiful the inside is. The front yard, entrance, and parking areas should pull buyers in instantly. Fresh mulch, a green lush lawn, trimmed bushes, healthy plants, and even a new mailbox can make all the difference.
We have fantastic relationships with several stagers. Whether you are living in your home or have moved out, let a stager advise where to place furniture, what size furniture to keep or remove. By doing so, you will present your property at its best. Stage homes typically receive offers faster and sell for higher prices than non-staged properties.
When you're interviewing real estate agents who might list your property, ask them about their photo and video package. It's an investment on the agent's part, but we believe professional photos and videos will highlight the very best features of your property. You want to shine online.
Your real estate may be the largest investment that you have, so let us help you get the most out of it. We can advise along the way, and our network of professionals to help you get things done is expansive. We will recommend vendors with insurance and a good reputation so that you and your property are always in excellent hands. Call us today. We're here to help.